So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fenris error in Diablo 4. This is how it looks like. If you're having this error, we're going to fix this together. There's a lot of solutions which could be the problem of this. So if this video will help you, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now you want to go ahead and try to open up your NVIDIA control panel and try to configure your graphics card. So we want to be on configure surround physics, and here you want to go ahead and choose NVIDIA GeForce and click apply. After that, you want to try to launch Diablo 4. If that didn't fix the problem, then you want to go ahead and disable focus assist. So you're going to write on focus assist, and from here you want to turn off basically all of these. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to open up battle.net, find Diablo 4, and here on the options gear icon, click on it and scan and repair and begin the scan. You want to go ahead and repair the missing or corrupted files on Diablo 4. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to launch Diablo 4 now. Now what you want to do is go to your Diablo 4, to the settings, on graphics, and on graphics you want to go ahead and change the refresh rate to 60. So for me there's no option for it, but if you see here refresh rate, you want to go ahead and change it to 60. If it doesn't let you change, then you want to choose the full screen option, and then it should appear for you. After that, you want to go ahead and change resolution to full HD. Now, after that, you want to also go ahead and disable peripheral lighting. So here it is. You want to go ahead and disable it. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to open up the documents. So go ahead here, documents, and find Diablo 4. Then you will see local prefs. You want to open this up. And once you will open this up, you want to scroll down until you will see disable chroma keys. And as you can see, it is set to 1. So you want this to be to 1, set to 1. If you see 0, you want to change it to 1. Now, after that, check if the problem persists. If the problem still persists, you want to just delete Diablo files in the document. So open this up and just delete this folder. Like so. Now, if still the problem persists, you want to go ahead and try playing in windowed full screen. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.